Applying for a Capital One credit card is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Research cards. Start by researching the various Capital One credit card options available. Consider factors such as rewards, interest rates, annual fees, and benefits to find the card that best suits your needs. Check eligibility. Review the eligibility requirements for the card you're interested in. Capital One typically consider factors such as credit score, income, and existing debt obligations. Submit application. Once you've chosen a card, visit the Capital One website or apply in person at a branch location. Complete the online application form with accurate personal information, including your name, address, income, and social security number. Provide financial information. Capital One may require additional financial information to assess your creditworthiness. Be prepared to provide details about your income, employment status, and housing expenses. Consent to credit check. By applying for a Capital One credit card, you authorize Capital One to perform a credit check as part of the application process. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, Capital One will review your information and make a decision on your credit card application. This process typically takes a few days, but you may receive an instant decision in some cases. Receive card. If approved, you will receive your Capital One credit card in the mail within a few business days. Activate the card following the instructions provided, and you can start using it for purchases once activated.